Hello and welcome to CANDO, the computational platform for computer-aided nanomaterial design and optimization. My name is Michael Yankunis. I'm the computational chemist at ThirdLaw Technologies. And before I begin the demo today, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to the ThirdLaw channel and hit the notification bell so you can know when new demos are released by ThirdLaw Technologies. This channel will have continued updates and lots of demos on CANDO and the Jupyter Lab interface. Today I will be showing you how to run CANDO inside of Docker if you don't have CANDO installed on your native system, but you do have Amber installed, and running a setup calculation that you constructed inside of Jupyter Lab using CANDO. Just as a reminder, our Docker image can be found on Docker Hub at ThirdLaw/CANDO. So I've already created a jobs directory using Jupyter Lab and CANDO, and I created a position analog scan that will be used to calculate free energy, and we call this free pass. So I'm within my workspace that contains a receptor, EG5 receptor, that can be found in the FEP benchmarks GitHub that's linked in the description. And I've already loaded a template ligand from which I chose a Smirks pattern, or wrote a Smirks pattern to change methane carbon, a methine carbon to a nitrogen, and I created several ligands. I created 6 ligands, in fact. I already calculated a low map calculation graph down here for setting up all my calculations and the transformations, calculating a delta delta G between each molecule. I set up all my parameters for Amber, my water box, my simulation limits, I configured all the jobs, and I wrote the jobs out. The jobs can be found in the top directory of the Docker image. The directory is jobs, and I called that jobs directory pass1. Now at the same time, a tar file is created, and I can download that tar file to my local machine using download. And if I switch to my terminal, I'm in my home directory in jobs inside pass1. Okay, so if you untar that directory, you'll see several things. First, you'll see a few control files. You'll see Lisp files. Those are the CANDO job files. And you'll see several directories. Each one of these directories represents an edge on the calculation graph for the TI calculation. Now, if we look through the structure of one of these edge directories, you'll see that we have a ligand directory and a complex directory, all created by CANDO to run Amber. So these are standard Amber job files. Okay, now let's assume that I don't have CANDO installed on my system, but I do have Amber. What I can do is use the Docker image to run all the CANDO jobs, and then I can use my local Amber to run the Amber jobs. And I can do this very simply. So I have the Docker image already running. All I need to do is find the image name, and I can do that using Docker PS. So here I can see the container ID, it's not the image ID, it's actually the container ID. And then what I need to do is set an environmental variable, which is Docker container equal to the container ID. Then what I need to do is edit my make file to say that I want to run in Docker. So we change run command simple to run command with Docker. Now, what I can do is I'm all set up to go. All I need to do is type make, and the job will begin. So it will start by contacting the Docker image and start all the CANDO files running. Then it will switch to Amber and start running all my Amber files, all my Amber input files. It will calculate all the charges. It will run SQM. That's what it's doing right now. Now I'm running Amber on my local 4-core laptop, so it's going to run a little bit slow. Now we do have a distributed computing system. If you would like information on that, or if you would like to use that, you can contact us by leaving a comment down below, or contact us via our webpage, and we'll be happy to help you get set up with that. Yes, this will take a little bit of time because it is on my local laptop, but everything is running. All the CANDO jobs, I don't have CANDO on my local laptop. So everything is running within the Docker image, and I'm running Amber on my local laptop. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future demos. We're making lots and lots of progress at CANDO, using CANDO at ThirdLaw Technologies, and I'll see you in the next demo.